all in Kana Math classes for 12th Math CBSE board. I will start today a new chapter called differential equation. The very equation of the differential, I have already stated you the derivative or differential of some function, that you note dy by dx d square y upon dx square dqy upon dx cube. Often and generally you use dy by dx, the first derivative of dependent function in terms of independent variable, and this is the second derivative, means d dx of dy by dx will be the second derivative, d square y dx square. Again the derivative of the second d dx of d square y dx square will be equal to dqy dx cube. Often and generally you use this terminology as y dash, y double dash, y triple dash, and of higher order derivative you may use in general y m, any order of m. By the way, if you accelerate this view of ideology, you may say that the next derivative will be u, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and so on. But for the convenience of simpleness, we generally and often use in future in this topic by y dash, y double dash, y triple dash. Now the differential equation, I think you must be aware of the linear equation in one variable, two variable, but I will draw your attention about the differential equation. This is a polynomial equation in derivatives, not independent and dependent variable, but a polynomial equation in derivative, that is y dash, y double dash, y triple dash, you may say. Hence we may clearly define the differential equation as the equation of polynomial equation in derivative. Polynomial equation in derivative is called differential equation. We will further draw your attention about the terminology used in this chapter, that is order and degree. Order means the highest order of polynomials. Highest polynomial means whether we use y dash or y double dash or y triple dash. Y dash means the first order of derivative, means order 1. Y double dash means the second order of derivative, means order is 2. Y third means the third order of derivative, that is 3. And further a term will come often in the preceding chapters, that is degree of the differential equation. You will observe while solving the derivative or differential equation of the questions, you will often see here dy by dx whole square or d square y dx square power 3, dqy dx cube power 2, etc. It means the power of highest order of polynomial equation in derivative. The power of highest derivative of the polynomials is known as the degree of the differential equation. You may note here the power of highest order of derivative in polynomial equation is known as the degree of differential equation, and the highest order of the polynomial in derivative is known as the order of differential equation. Now we will try to attract your attention about some exercises under exercise number 9.1. Is a very simple exercise. You will only to find out what is the order and what is the degree of the differential equation. So by written expression we will try. Well, we will draw your attention about the practical knowledge of order of differential equation and degree of differential equation under the problem of question under the exercise 9.1. It's very simple. If you write exercise 9.1, then question is the determine the order and degree of the differential equation given below. Question number 1 is d4y d4y upon dx4 plus sin y triple dash plus sin y triple dash is equal to 0. Under question number 1 within the exercise 9.1, here d4y upon dx4, or in the simplest form y4, y dash 4 sin y third is equal to 0. So what will be the order of this differential equation? The highest order of the polynomials. Highest order of the polynomials means order of differential equation is 4, and degree of the differential equation, degree of the highest power of the polynomials, order of polynomials is known as the degree of differential equation, but here degree is not defined because this has given sign of y triple dash. It means here it's not clearly a derivative, hence degree of differential equation is not defined. You may write here not defined. Not defined. Now I am going to clear a concept of this ideology. In question number 2, y dash plus 5y is equal to 0. This is the differential equation. Y dash means dy by dx plus 5y is equal to 0. Obviously, the highest order of differential equation means 1. Order of differential equation is 1. Order of differential equation is 1. But what about the degree of differential equation? Highest order of the derivative is present in the differential equation is y dash, and this is power only 1. So degree of differential equation is also 1. Now we will try to attain third differential equation. This is ds by dt4, ds by dt4 plus 3s d square dt. d square s dt square is equal to 0. In the third differential equation, we may observe that here it is given that ds by dt raised to the power 4 plus 3s d square s dt square. Actually, according to definition, if you want to know the order of this differential equation, you must observe that the order of differential equation, this is the second derivative, and this is the first derivative, and this is the second derivative. The order of highest derivative, it means order of the differential equation is 2 and power of this is equal to 1, so hence the degree of differential equation will be 1. Now the fourth question is d square y dx square d square y dx square 2 plus cos dy by dx is 0. In this differential equation, that is in question number 4, we see that d square y dx square whole square plus cos of dy by dx. Here the highest order of polynomial is of second order. The order of differential equation will be equal to, here not defined, this derivative is not defined, so it will be written here not defined. In the same way, if we try to question number 5, it's given d square y dx square is equal to cos 3x plus sin 3x is equal to cos 3x plus sin 3x. Here in this differential equation under question number 5, the highest order of the polynomials of derivative, here we see 2, hence the order of differential equation will be equal to 2 and the degree of differential equation will be equal to 1 because this has only one power. The degree of differential equation will be equal to 1, and if you try one more question, it is given under question number 6, y triple dash square plus y double dash q plus y 4 dash 4 plus y dash 4 plus y 5 is equal to 0. Here in the question number 5 of differential equation, we clearly observe that y triple dash means dyq upon dxq power 2. Equation is 3 and its degree is equal to 2. Thank you for watching the video. Try to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.